I to the E or E to the I, how do they compare in size? Pause the video and work it out yourself. Okay? With complex numbers, the magnitude or norm of the number is how far away it is from the origin. It's no different when we ask about the absolute value of an integer. The absolute value of -4 is 4 units away from the origin. In fact, we use the same symbols, these two vertical bars. With complex numbers, with rectangular coordinates, we calculate the Euclidean distance, which works out to Pythagoras. But these are not rectangular coordinates. So, last chance. Pause the video and work it out on your own. Ready? First, I to the E. When we raise I to any power, we are rotating the real number line through the complex plane. I squared is -1, I cubed is -I, so I to the E is going to be somewhere around here. It doesn't really matter exactly where. The point is, it's all rotating around this unit circle. So the norm, or the magnitude, is going to be 1. Should this really surprise us? I is the imaginary unit, just as 1 is the unit for real numbers, and 1 to the power of anything is 1, so I to the power of anything has a magnitude of 1. Now for E to the I. The polar form of a complex number is this. The E and the I, they're standard, and here is where we would say how many radians we are rotating through the complex plane, and here we're saying this is the norm right here. How far are we from the origin? So it's 1. Both of these have the same magnitude. Both of these have a magnitude of 1. Bob's your uncle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and cheers.